How to remove a nickname on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove a nickname on Facebook. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. If you'd like to remove a nickname on Facebook, it is fairly quite simple for us to do so. So what we have to do is, first of all, open up Facebook, and this is the interface that you will see. Tap on your profile icon or from the top right hand side, which is also the menu icon. Then tap on the gear icon from the very top right hand side of the screen. Then from there, what you can do is go to the option that says Account Center. Then go to the option Profiles from the top. From Profiles, you'll find various profiles that you've added. So select Facebook again from here. And when you've done that, you can see different names. So if I go to name over here, you can see I've added a name, and if you've added other nicknames, you can type and manage other names over here. And if you've added nicknames to Facebook, you'll find the option to delete those nicknames over here. And to delete it, you can just clear out everything and tap the save button. So this way you can delete or remove a nickname on Facebook. Hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.